Hi.
Siyempre, kailangan magdamay.
Good.
If not for our Indonesian friends, I will not eat balut.
See? Huh?
It's so touching.
Follow you.
Ayun na nila.
We all Philippines! Maybe I will be dead because his part tonight will be performed.
Mas mabaho daw.
Yeah, when's the soup?
Pimples, can you help me? Danny? There's a soup. Where's the soup?
Ito nakikitin ko kami.
Hindi. Sarap yan.
Ay, meron ng feathers.
Feathers. Ano, mapang na ba?
Feathers yan, di ba?
Ano lasa niya?
Umuulan.
Baka.
Do my friends already follow it?
Delicious.
I cannot eat slow.
Later.
Yeah, later.
Dinah, get the
Oh,
yellow
you see.
part. Easier.
Marag.
Marami.
Sarap dito.
This is the brain. This is the leg.
First time ata may kumain ng balut sa Starbucks.
Maybe just same father, another mother.
Ang kulit.
Ito ang bulo niya. Ano bulo niya?
Tumatawa ko, di ulit yung biyak.
Aso ng feathers.
Is this female or male?
I don't care.
You can do it. Pinalatan niya talaga ng buo.
Yeah, kumain ka ba?
No, kuya.
Let's go. Let's pray. Our Father in heaven.
Go, go, go.
Wait.
Inhale.
Gano po to?
Take a deep breath.
Hyperventilate na siya.
Matang na gano'n.
Are you cursing? Are you cursing?
Any last word? Any last word? Is there any near hospital near?
Yeah.
There's
Okay.
about just 5 minutes away.
Just give me
It's okay.
an insurance for me, okay?
Udah lang.
Actually, there's a clinic downstairs, so don't worry.
Just turn off the video, please.
Just picture.
Yes.
Once lifetime.
Okay.
Deep breath.
But if you don't come in Philippines again,
Rest.
Go!
1, 2,
Is the pasta
Go.
insured?
aside from pastor,
Yeah.
Arnold.
I know.
let's see if I can get for Pastor Arnold when they come to Indonesia.
Prepare something like that for me. I'm not going to back down. Promise. Drink water, drink water.
Mentos, you want?
Mentos. One last more. Alright.
Yay!
Yeah.
Show up or not? Show up or not?
See?
Very nice.
Not bad.
Thank you guys for
Dinah, this is for you. Take home. To take home.
You know, you should have the chili instead of
Ah, yeah. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
sliced chili.
yeah, next
Yeah,
time,
that's
next
a good
time.
idea.
I'm going to get
Actually,
Next time.
you also have an option to use
I'm
vinegar?
looking for chili